Good morning, students. We'll continue with the same topic, thermal decomposition of metal compounds, and this time the metal compounds will be metal carbonates. Let us see how do the metal carbonates of these metals decompose when heat is supplied to it. So far these two metals or carbonates of metals are concerned, they are stable to heat. Carbonates of calcium to copper, they decompose to give carbon dioxide and water vapor, that is will give CO2 plus H2O. It gives oxide plus carbon dioxide, and this gives metal, oxygen gas and plus carbon dioxide gas. Let us see how. First, carbonates of sodium and potassium like K2CO3. When we heat these two, there will be no change. Since they are stable to heat, they won't decompose. Let us see decomposition of the metals from calcium to copper. Calcium carbonate will decompose to give calcium oxide and carbon dioxide, that is CaO plus CO2. Similarly, any carbonate we take from this series, that is from calcium to copper, it decomposes to give respective oxide along with carbon dioxide. Suppose we have copper carbonate, it will decompose to give copper oxide plus carbon dioxide. We take zinc carbonate, will give zinc oxide plus carbon dioxide. But when carbonates of mercury or silver comes, it decomposes to give metal, oxygen and carbon dioxide. For example, if you take silver carbonate, it will give silver plus oxygen and plus carbon dioxide. You can balance this. So it will be 4 and then we have 2 over here. That is 2 carbon, 6 oxygen. That side also it coming 6. So we can see here how it decomposes. Let us now move to decomposition of metal nitrates. Now decomposition of metal nitrates on giving heat. Here in these two cases, that is nitrates of potassium and sodium, they produce to give metal nitrite and plus oxygen gas. For example, potassium nitrate. When we heat it, it gives potassium nitrite. See, nitrate is NO3, but nitrite is NO2 and plus oxygen gas. Now for these nitrates, that is from calcium to copper, it will decompose to give metal oxide plus nitrogen dioxide and plus oxygen gas. For example, calcium nitrate. When it is heated, it gives calcium oxide, NO2 and plus O2. You can balance it with these numbers. Even if you take lead nitrate, it also decomposes in the same manner. It also gives PbO plus NO2 and plus oxygen gas. But for the nitrates of silver and mercury, it will form metal plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen. We can see example of silver nitrate, AgNO3 decomposed to give metal. Metal here will be Ag plus NO2 and plus O2. I hope this section is clear to you. It shows the decomposition of metal compounds on giving heat to it. Your work will be to practice these reactions as much as possible. Thank you.